Nepal is one of the landlocked South Asian countries situated between two huge countries, China and India. It's a small but lovely country with its different identities in the world. We feel proud to say that world's highest peak, Mount Everest, is situated here. The messenger is beloved son of Nepal, snow-capped mountain, green forest, with strange birds and animals, many lakes and rivers have made our nation rich in itself. People of different castes, languages, religions, religious beliefs, and cultural activities living with peace and harmony. Public school in Nepal. There are two types of school providing school education under education system of government. They are public and private. Public schools are fully supported by government and it provides free education. Around 80% of the children go to public school and only 20% to private school. Most of the students studying in public school are from low economy migrating families. Secondary school is a public school situated in the capital city of Nepal. It was established in 2007 BS. It provides an opportunity of learning to their students with modern technology. Students from this school have been participating in different competitions in local level and district level and have been able to achieve different awards. Background of students in Nepal Others School. Students from the family of low economic background attend this school.
आजको यो स्कुल इन्टरप्राइजेस च्यालेन्ज प्रतियोगिता अन्तर्गत यो बेस्टी ब्रन्ज कार्यक्रम पनि यसमा संलग्न गरिएको छ जसमा विद्यार्थीहरूको प्रत्यक्ष सहभागिता हामीले अनुभव गर्न सक्छौं.
Besties Brunch is a project with a concept of school canteen. Its service the lunch to students and teachers of school. Students from class 8 are involved in this project work and teachers from our school and Ayusha ma'am from Daya Foundation facilitated them. They cook different food items and serve them to teachers and students under this program.
यसमा सबभन्दा ठुलो कङ्ग्रेचुलेसन्स त बहिनीहरूलाई भाइहरूलाई क्लास 8 को टिचर्सहरूलाई जसले यत्रो दिन मेहनत गरेर यो कार्यक्रमलाई यतिसम्म अगाडि ल्याउनु भएकोमा धेरै नै खुसी लागेको छ.
They collected money from the related students. Teachers also contributed little amount of money for it. They bought vegetables and necessary ingredients from nearby shop and cooked by themselves. They bought fresh vegetables.
यसरी नै यो सरकारी स्कुलहरूले ल्याएको एउटा कन्सेप्ट जुन सानै उमेरदेखि नै बच्चाहरूलाई यस्तो सिकाइदिने यो एकदम राम्रो छ र मैले यही आशा राखेको छु कि अरू पनि सरकारी विद्यालयहरूले यस्तै कार्यलाई अनुसरण गर्नेछन् र यस्ता अन्य कार्यक्रमहरू पनि आफ्नो पाठ्यक्रममा समावेश गर्नेछन् र यसले गरेर भविष्यमा सबै विद्यार्थीहरूलाई एउटा रोजगारी पाउने एउटा आधार बन्छ र उनीहरूले सिप सिक्न पाउँछन् र यो एकदम एउटा राम्रो धारणा हो.
On the first day of this project, they cook curry of gram and serve with boiled eggs. It was a students' lead project. Students themselves made a plan under this project. They bought goods themselves. They took ideas visiting the related areas and interviews with the people involved there. They collected money for it themselves and cooked and served. It gives them a basic idea about how to go ahead. They learn how to face an interview with other persons.
I'm too happy and excited to get this golden chance for participating business plan program. Under this program, we collected money from the teachers and students. Also contributed a little amount of money. We bought vegetables and necessary ingredients from our nearby shop and cook them ourselves.
यो प्र्याक्टिकल क्लासले हामीलाई धेरै कुरा सिकाएको छ र यो बिजनेस कसरी गर्छ र बिजनेसबाट हामीले कसरी नाफा गर्न सक्छौँ र कसरी घाटा हुन्छ अथवा कसरी पैसा कमाउने भनेर यो बिजनेसबाट हामीले सिक्न सक्छौँ.
They became able to build up confidence and a spirit of self-realization. They go to work in a team. They learn process of preparing food and its importance. They had there an idea of business, its process, investments, and profit making. In fact, they learn real skill that could be applied while working. They had an experience of project-based learning. It is totally affiliated with their student curriculum of one of their subjects, occupations, business, and technology.